Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix slow Shopify store, boosting your store's speed. So, if your Shopify store is slow, it can affect SEO rankings and customer experience. Follow these steps to optimize your page speed effectively. First, test your store speed. Go to online store under sales channels. On this page, navigate to themes, then click on preview. Here, you can easily test your speed if it's working smoothly or not. Now, you can also visit Page Speed Insights, that is Google Page Speed Insights. Navigate to a new tab, type in Page Speed Insights, hit enter, and click on the link that is by Google Developers. Page Speed Insights developers.google.com. Google for developers. Now, here, enter your store URL for a full speed analysis. You can easily do that just right here. Now, you can also use GT metrics for detailed performance insights. So you can navigate to a new tab and type in GT metrics. And by doing that, you can test your store speed. Now, coming to fixing your Shopify store speed, optimize images. Compress images using tiny PNG before uploading. Use JPEG for photos and PNG for transparent images. Also, you can reduce apps and scripts. Uninstall any unused apps by navigating to settings, choosing apps and sales channels, then uninstalling any unused apps by clicking on three-dotted icon and clicking on uninstall. Now, you can use Shopify's built-in feature instead of third-party apps wherever possible to reduce app and scripts. Now, another way to fix your Shopify store speed is by enabling lazy loading. So lazy loading delays image loading until they appear on screen. If your theme doesn't support it, use a lazy load app from the Shopify's app store. So navigate to settings, or you can click on add apps icon under apps, choose Shopify app store, then search for lazy loading, then install this application, that is this one, Lazify lazy load images, and you can easily fix the problem. Now, another way to fix your problem is using a fast theme. Light themes like Dawn, Debut, or Turbo loads faster. Avoid overly complex themes with too many animations. Another way to fix your problem is minimizing code and removing render blocking elements. Remove unnecessary JavaScript and CSS. Also, use Shopify's built-in speed optimization settings in the online store settings. Now, enable Shopify's CDN. Shopify automatically uses a content delivery network, that is CDN, to speed up global loading times. Make sure you enable it. After you do this, you can monitor your store speed regularly. So by following these steps, your store speed will load up faster and improving both customer experience and sales. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.